Delta tool. Inventions for a better life.
Remove the torn-off cup hinge. Drill the holes to a depth of approximately 10 mm using a 10 mm drill bit. Remove the protective film from the repair plate and place it on the drill holes. The repair plate fits all cabinets with 32 and 27 mm hole spacing to the cabinet edge. Then screw the repair plate in place. Now fit the hinge to the cupboard. Remove the protective film from the other repair plate and place it on the drill holes. Screw the repair plate on loosely with the wood screws. Place the cup hinge on the repair plate on the door. Now you can screw the cup hinge tight with the threaded screws. Now tighten the wood screws. Your hinge is now working again. Please measure the distance between the cup hinge screws before purchasing, as there are two common types, 45 and 52 mm. In the video description you will find the link to purchase the repair plate.
Delta tool. Inventions for a better life.